lovely Munchkin. And when you are like, what the hell, why she has like makeup on it but not a lipstick, it's just because today we are going to try some of the sweets and eatable things what I bought on my latest vacation in Bulgaria. So here we are. The first of all, I'm gonna try a typical Bulgaria sweet, which both of them look like this. I already opened that because it was packed in like loads of paper and I didn't want to disturb everything at all over here. So these are typical traditional Bulgarian sweet, and this is with strawberry flavor, and it looked very funny. And I must say, this seriously reminding me of Japanese mochi cakes. It looked like this. It is in white powder, which look very scary. But here we go. And I am totally from that powder. It tastes good. Yeah. It tasted very good, and seriously, it very reminded me with the texture and with the powder, the mochi cakes. I can totally taste that strawberry, and it's very good. It just had that typical gummy texture. You need to chew it a lot. So if I would be like one of my friends with bracelets, I think it's called like that, you have that on your teeth, it would be like a catastrophic thing for your bracelet. So yeah, and here I have a second one, which is absolutely typical for Bulgaria because it with rose petals. I never eat anything from rose petal, but I know that from rose petal you can make a tea, some kind of. So yeah, maybe next time I would try typical rose petal tea, whatever. Okay, we're not big again for this. Again, same texture, and I seriously can taste rose. It's like I practically put inside of my mouth full rose. Is that normal? But it tastes very good. Oh my god. Okay. This was very good. And even when when I love strawberries, I think this tasted a little bit better. And it even wasn't that sweet how I expect it would be. It was eatable sweet, if I should say that like that, because I can't eat sweet that much. So for me, it was okay. Like, I love that. I seriously love that. Next thing, like I said, I opened them already. Don't judge me. I seriously opened them. So here I have this little snowball with milk cream. It's a snowball cake with milk cream, and I open it absolutely like a typical idiot who I am actually. So here I am. The cake thing is very good, but that milk cream it's not that good. It's like the cheapest cream what you can make or buy. No. The bread, I don't know how it call it. It's okay. It's it's very nicely sweet. It's okay, even with the chocolate outside. But the cream inside, it's absolutely awful. Very awful. It's no, I'm not gonna say it. How horrible it tastes. Next is again a snowball, and it's a snowball cake with a coconut, and it looked like it's outside is the coconut. I just smash it inside of my suitcase when I came home, so I'm sorry for that. But, okay. I want a cream too. Give me cream. This is much better. How could it be this much better? It's like same thing. It looked like it's even the same cream, but this cream is much better. So for this, it's big thumbs up, but for the other one, like hella no. Okay, what we have over here? Oh, cake with marshmallow, and this is something what you can buy even in England or anywhere else, I think. And I love marshmallow, so they couldn't like do anything wrong with this. If they did, I will be pissed, because everything with marshmallow should taste extremely good. Come here. Like I said, nothing could be wrong with marshmallow, with cake slice. Like really, this tasted good. Okay, what I have here next, which is this, which is again from today. I don't know if it's like brand or something, but whatever. Okay, and what is this? Cocoa coated cake with cocoa sauce. Everything is with cocoa. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, this is a little bit melted. Okay. Yeah, it's absolutely melted. It looked like this with cocoa sauce inside of it. And it looked like donut or something, so yeah, it shouldn't be that bad, I think. It's good actually, but it's very sweet. And I'm not sure if I should. I'm gonna eat that, not gonna waste. But it was very sweet. Jesus. For me, just little bit too much. I'm not any kind of like no sweet or anything. Or whatever. Next, what we have here is this snack, which is with peanuts, and I'm not sure what should be this, because little bit it looked like it's a coffee. I love coffee. You're looking at a coffee addict person, and I don't like coffee taste sweets. I hate them. So I hope this wouldn't be coffee at all. Oh my god. It's not coffee. Thank you, Jesus. You just made me happy. It's dark chocolate, but I wasn't actually pretty sure because here is cacao basically, and I knew that in somewhere it means coffee, and I wasn't pretty sure because everything is in freaking, I don't know, it's azbuka or whatever, and this is basically like I'm spelling it in Slovak language, and I was just like, okay, that can mean anything, and this doesn't even look like a cocoa beans or something. Don't do that to me, please. Okay, this is basically last sweet what I have here. This is exact same snack what was the previous one, but this is with pomegranate with peanuts again. So this just smells very nice. So, okay. This tastes amazing, not gonna lie. Okay, go inside. Everything is melted. Why is everything melted? Which I must say, in our hotel we had lots of teas. Mostly we had chamomile, vanilla honey, peppermint, and apple and cinnamon, and we had that even a black tea. But this tea was something what I didn't drink at all, so I made it, and I already drink this when I eat that this one after that, and I must say it tastes amazing. I didn't put there any sugar, anything. It tastes like a herbal tea, but not like a typical herbal tea, but like some kind of herbal, but I'm not sure which kind of. It's very nice, but I must say, as a kid, I never liked herbal tea, especially herbal tea. So I'm not very sure if a kid would drink herbal tea at all, but like kids like sometimes doesn't even care what they drink, so whatever. And the last thing what I have here is this, which is named Pine Cone Elixir. Basically, this should be pine cone jam or marmalade, what you prefer to say. I'm using jam, mostly jam. So yeah, I already opened that, but I wanted to show you how it looked like, and it looked very cute. I wanted to buy the rose flavor one, but this was something what I seriously wanted to know how it tastes like. What the hell is this? A little knife. Oh my goodness. Maybe this would be like good on pancakes or something. I don't know. Oh, that's a little bit too much. Too much. Ah, no. Just go. Okay, I need to taste it a little bit more. it tastes amazing. Like, really, like, I'm not gonna lie, it tastes amazing. Very, very amazing. How could pine cone taste so sweet and a little bit sour in the same time? This would be something where I would love probably just for this. I would travel into Bulgaria and buy that again. It tastes amazing. Seriously. Oh my god, I'm just gonna make pancakes after this video probably. Just because I want to taste on my pancakes. So yeah, this was end of today's video of my little person trying the Bulgarian sweets, and this is my new favorite thing ever. Yeah, this is like extremely big thumbs up for this. I want more, I just want more. So if you like this video, go and click that big like, big thumbs up for my video if you like that. If you wanna see new video from me with my person in it, go and click the subscribe button, and we can see each other in the next video. So bye Munchkins.